Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning students. How are you all? Hope you will be fine. What is day today? Today is Wednesday and date 2nd and month December and year 2020. Which period is this? English period. How many weathers? There are 5 weathers. How many weathers? There are 5 weathers. Tell me weather's name. Sunny day, rainy day, foggy day, windy day, cloudy day. Start day rhyme. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Okay, what is day today? Today is Wednesday. Okay, learn the spelling of Wednesday. W-E-D-W-E-N-E-S-D-A-Y-D. Wednesday. W-E-D-W-E-N-E-S-D-A-Y-D. Wednesday. Revise. Spelling of Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y-D. Monday. Tuesday. T-U-E-S-T-U-S-D-A-Y-D. Tuesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y-D. Wednesday. Revise sentence of the week. Excuse me, teacher. Can I do the colors? Revise words with E. Word making. Words with E. E-double-G, egg. E-Y-E-I-E-A-R, ear. Egg, I, ear. Opposite of the week. Day, night. Day, night. Action word of the week. Reading. Reading. Today our topic is N series. En gives a sound of N.
And the N.
Here is some flashcards. This is the picture of men. M-E-N, men. M-E-N, men. M-N, men. M-N, men. M-N, men. M-N, men. 10. T-N, 10. T-N, 10. T-N, 10. T-N, 10. T-E-N, 10. T-E-N, 10. Hen. H-N, hen. H-N, hen. H-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. H-N, hen. D-N, den. D-N, den. D-N, den. D-E-N, den. D-E-N, den. P-N, pen. P-N, pen. P-N, pen. P-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. Men, ten, hen, den, pen.